Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what are RFID tags. Let's jump right into it. What are RFID tags? RFID, radio frequency identification tags, are small devices used for wireless communication to identify and track objects, animals, or even people. They consist of a microchip that stores information and an antenna that transmits this information to an RFID reader. Types of RFID tags. Passive RFID tags. No internal power source. They rely on the energy emitted by the RFID reader. Cost-effective and commonly used in inventory tracking, access control, and more. Active RFID tags. Contain a battery and can transmit signals autonomously. Have a longer range and are often used in applications like toll collection, vehicle tracking, and large-scale inventory management. Semi-passive RFID tags. Battery-powered but only for powering the chip. Communication still relies on the reader's energy. Used in situations where more robust communication is needed, but full active tag power isn't required. How do RFID tags work? The RFID process involves three main components. RFID tag. As mentioned earlier, this is the small electronic device containing the IC and antenna. RFID reader. This device emits radio waves to interrogate the RFID tags within its range. Antenna. This component is part of both the tag and the reader. It helps transmit and receive the radio signals. The RFID reader sends out a radio signal, which is captured by the tag's antenna. The tag's IC then decodes the signal and responds by sending back its unique identification number or other stored data. The reader decodes this response and can use the information for various purposes. RFID readers, the eyes of the RFID system. RFID readers are essential components of RFID systems that interrogate RFID tags and extract the stored data. They act as the eyes of the system, detecting and communicating with the tags within their range. Types of RFID readers. Handheld readers, portable devices used by individuals to scan RFID tags. Fixed readers, installed at specific locations such as doorways or production lines to continuously scan for RFID tags passing through. Integrated readers. Combine RFID reading capabilities with other functions, such as barcode scanning or GPS tracking. Applications of RFID tags. RFID tags have found widespread applications in various industries, including supply chain management, tracking products from manufacturing to the point of sale. Retail, inventory management, loss prevention, and customer loyalty programs. Healthcare, patient identification, medication tracking, and asset management. Access control, security systems for buildings, vehicles, and events. Animal identification, tracking livestock, pets, and wildlife. Automotive, vehicle identification, toll collection, and parking management. Benefits of RFID tags. RFID tags offer several advantages over traditional barcode systems. Efficiency. Automated data capture eliminates manual errors and speeds up processes. Accuracy. RFID tags provide reliable and accurate data, reducing the risk of human error. Durability. RFID tags are durable and can withstand harsh environments. Versatility. They can be used in various applications and industries. Scalability. RFID systems can be easily scaled to accommodate growing needs. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.